My name is Nikhil Prasad. I am a student of Symbiosis Law School, Pune, second year, and I am a law student right now. Legal drafting is a very important factor in a legal profession itself, and Lawsico was providing practical view over to the subject itself. So it was very interesting in a way because I haven't come towards any website or any other uh, online classes which have been providing this kind of an feature in which you are getting practical view of how to draft. So basically, we started with NDAs, and right now we are doing MOUs. And during that phase, we had civil litigation as well as criminal litigation. So I was actually able to not only revise what I had learned in my college itself regarding CPC, CRPC, and IPC itself, I was also able to learn how to draft them now because in most of the colleges, including mine, we have a lot of theoretical learning, right? We learn how to, what are the rules and the sections and how to apply them. But in this course, I was actually able to understand how to, put that theoretical language and theoretical knowledge of the same thing into a legal drafting, and that is required for us. And this was able to actually help me better understand the concepts that I had learned in my college as well as how to apply them. Now this is also going to help me with my internships, as this certificate course that I did in legal drafting has given me a much more clarity of drafting as well as what to expect from in this field. This is something which I was not aware about in my previous affiliations with different firms and different places where I have gone for internship. So this is going to give this has been a very beneficial course for me and an eye opener as well regarding what I have to do forward. As a legal student, I need to understand if I want to take any specific field. So for me, when I tried practice civil litigation and criminal litigation as well as contracts, I was actually able to understand that I am more inclined towards the nature of a drafting which is related with firms and mergers and acquisitions and all this. So now I have a clear idea that what I need to pursue and where I need to focus more and stress about on more in my education itself. The live sessions were very good. Everything was explained to the T. Uh, every doubt was answered. There was no, everyone was given attention and everyone was given the, the importance that every individual was treated very, everyone was given as an important person itself. Everyone was given their attention that they required and every question was answered. Whereas the live sessions were always on time and there were no issues regarding it, that during this lockdown phase many people or many law students must have understood that it's very difficult to arrange online classes, but the way Lawsico had implemented it and the fact that how they basically planned it was very helpful for all the students. And we used to get a message in our WhatsApp group regarding it, like when we wanted when the classes are gonna be prior, like 12 hours prior to it. And even if someone missed the classes within 48 hours, that was uploaded in the portal itself, LMS portal itself. So that was also very beneficial for us, as we can always go back to the LMS portal and understand that what we have if we have missed something, or if we want to review something again, like what if we just want a clarity again about it. So that was very helpful. Yeah, after doing the short course, as I previously stated, that I was actually able to understand that I want to focus on the uh, contractual side of the law of this of the education field that I am in right now, that is litigation. It's of law. Secondly, the fact that I was actually able to get a practical view of it, right? So during this certificate course, everything what we got was just an overview of what we can achieve if we get proper educational goals and proper educational guidelines, which was provided in this contracts diploma, advanced diploma in contracts itself. So that was something that pushed me forward to taking this subject itself with the certificate course itself. So I am still I'm sure that I'll actually learn something more out of from the contracts uh, diploma itself. I'm really glad to have actually come across LawSikho. This is the things that the LawSikho team is providing, the support that they are giving to us law students, and the practical view that they are providing us is really different from whatever other courses are providing that we get in online classes right now. The fact that LawSikho is one of the, I have never been so comfortable with online classes before as much as I have been with LawSikho itself. The teachers, the experts that were called for us were very helpful, and the fact that they explained us everything, and the review system is very nice. That is the first time that I've experienced it. My first hand experience with LawSikho has been really nice itself. Like, I have been dumbfolded because of how much someone can teach you about the things that about this practical things that LawSikho has taught me today and during this past 1 month itself. So yes, what can I say? I have been referring LawSikho to most of my classmates and my seniors as well to give it a shot, and like, because this is something that is the future for law students itself. And I just believe that LawSikho is going to be the next big thing in the law industry itself.